How to log in to Roadrunner email account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Roadrunner email account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your preferred web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in Roadrunner email login. So in case you are not familiar with this, Roadrunner has been changed to Spectrum Webmail. Tap open the first link. Once you have done that, you will land onto this page. Now you have to zoom in a little bit and just type in your email address. Once done, type in your email password and check the box that says I'm not a robot and tap on to sign in. In case you would like this site to remember your user ID or email address, check the box that says remember email address. And if you have forgotten your email address or password, follow these links and they will help you reset your account. Once done, tap on to sign in, and if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your account. That is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.